Hello Year 1, I hope that you were all doing really well at home. So I just wanted to say well done to everybody for all of the learning that you've been doing at home on multiplication and division. You've all been doing really well. So today is our quiz. Now remember to try it on your own. Parents, you can read the question to the child, but let's see if they can do it by themselves first. Okay, so good luck and let me know how you all do. Before we start the quiz, please can you write the short date 15/05/2020 and the title Multiplication and Division Quiz. Pause the video to complete this. For today's lesson, all that you will need is your workbook to write the answers in, your pencil or 10 small objects. Now the quiz is on the Grange website under Maths Year 1. So you can print it from there or you can just watch the video to see the questions. Now it is maths quiz time. Remember to complete the quiz on your own first. Children, it's really important that your teacher knows how much of this you can do by yourself so that we can help you. Okay, so have a go all by yourself first, and parents, you can read the questions to them if they need it repeated. Question number 1. How many counters altogether? So we've got lots of counters here in tens frames. There are something counters altogether. Pause the video to complete this question. Question number 2. Which groups are equal? So just write which ones are equal in your book, or if you have downloaded it next to it, write equal. Question number 3. Tom has 8 bread rolls. He shares them equally between 2 plates. How many bread rolls are there on each plate? There are something bread rolls on each plate. Pause the video to complete this question. Question number 4. Complete the sentences. So we've got some boxes of oranges. You need to say how many there are in each box. There are something oranges in each box. There are something boxes of something oranges. So how many boxes are there, and then how many are there in each box? There are something oranges all together. Pause the video to complete this question. Question number 5. Eva makes an array with counters. So remember what an array is and what it's made up of. Fill in the numbers to describe the array. Something adds something equals something else. So here we're adding 2 numbers. Something adds something equals something else. So here we are adding 3 numbers. Pause the video to complete this question. Question number 6. How many eggs are there altogether? There are something eggs in each box, so count how many you have in each box. There are something boxes of something eggs, so how many boxes do we have and how many are in each box? Something adds something adds something adds something. So you're adding a number together 4 times. Pause the video to complete this question. Question number 7. Now this one's a bit tricky. Beth has 10 fish in a tank. She puts them into some bowls. There are the same number of fish in each bowl. How many bowls could she use? So there are lots of different answers to this question, and you get 1 mark for each correct answer that you put. Okay, pause the video to complete this. Question number 8. On here we have lots of different bowls with fish in it. You need to complete the sentence. Something bowls with something fish in each bowl. So how many bowls first? And then how many fish in each bowl? Something bowls with something fish in each bowl. How many bowls and then how many fish in each bowl? And again, how many bowls and how many fish in each bowl? Pause the video to complete this question. And well done, you finished your quiz. Now just quickly check over your answers before you have a look at what the correct answers are. Okay, the answers are, question number 1, there are 50 counters. So we've got 5 full tens frames, so that means that we can count in tens. And we're going to count up to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There are 50 counters altogether. Which groups are equal? So this one is equal with the pencils because each pot has 2 pencils. These apples are equal because there are 5 apples in each bag. The pears are unequal because these 2 bags have 3 pears and this one has 4, so they are not the same. They are different, they are unequal. These cookies are equal, even though this one looks a bit different. It is the same, they are equal because they all have 4 cookies. Well done if you got it correct. Tom has 8 bread rolls. He shares them equally between 2 plates. How many bread rolls are there on each plate? There are 4 bread rolls on each plate. Well done if you got that one correct too. Complete the sentences. There are 5 oranges in each box. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3 of 5 oranges. There are 15 oranges altogether. Now you could have individually counted each orange, or you could have counted it in 5s 3 times. 5, 10, 15. Well done if you got that correct. Eva makes an array with counters. Fill in the numbers to describe the array. So she filled in her rows, 3 add 3, and her columns, 2 add 2 add 2 equals 6. Well done if you got those correct. How many eggs altogether? There are 10 eggs in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 of 10 eggs. So you could have counted them all individually, or maybe you counted in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. There are 40 eggs altogether. Beth has 10 fish in a tank. She puts them into some bowls. There are the same number of fish in each bowl. How many bowls could she use? So she could have had 10 bowls with 1 fish in each bowl. She could have had 5 bowls with 2 fish in each bowl, or she could have had 2 bowls with 5 fish in each. Okay, remember you get 1 mark per answer. Well done if you got any of those correct, because that's a really tricky question. And then for this one, there are 10 bowls with 1 fish in each bowl, 5 bowls with 2 fish in each bowl, and 2 bowls with 5 fish in each bowl. Well done if you got that correct. So well done to everybody for completing the quiz. I'm sure you've all done really well. Remember, you can ask your teacher if you need any help with any questions. Now time for the shout outs. Well done to Dennis in Matisse class. Well done to Misbah in Matisse, beautiful work. Well done to Daniel in Picasso. Well done to Omar in Clee class. And well done to Idris in Clee class. Remember to keep sending in your work to the Year 1 email address. We love to see what you've been doing at home. Have a good day, and I hope you all have a lovely weekend. See you on Monday.